the next Nama, which is 190, which is Nama, beautiful Nama Durga. Amma is the goddess Durga. This Nama Durga by itself is a mantra. So if you just keep chanting Durga, 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 Durga itself, it is a Nama, it is a mantra by itself. Amma is goddess Durga. Amma Lalita is goddess Durga herself. There is a reference to Durga in Maharanyaka Upanishad. It says in the Durga Suktam, it says Durga means the dispeller of difficulties. So her Durga form is described as fiery and radiant in nature. Those who take refuge in her are saved by her from all their difficulties. So reciting Durga Suktam regularly eradicates miseries is what is just said. The first verse of the Suktam and the Mrityunjaya mantram, that is Trayambakam Yajamahe, and the Gayatri mantram, that is leaving the Vyakritis, together make 100 bijas, Katakshari mantram. So here she is called as Durga because she slayed the very powerful demon Durgamasuran. So what is the lesson that we learn from the story of Durga and Durgamasuran? The story of Durga and Durgamasuram carries several important lessons that continue to resonate with people across generations. So it serves as a reminder that no matter how powerful evil may seem, it will always be overcome by the forces of good. So the tale, it encourages people to have the faith in the power of Dharma or the righteousness, and to never lose hope in the face of adversity. So it highlights the importance of standing up against oppression and injustice, even in the even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. So one has to stand against injustice. So it serves as an inspiration for people to embrace the inner strength. We have to embrace our inner strength and courage, empowering us to confront challenges with determination and resilience. This is what the Durgama and Durga story can. The story of Durga and Durgamasura is a timeless tale that continues to inspire people around the world. It serves as a powerful reminder that no matter how daunting the obstacles may seem, justice will always prevail in the end. So Dharma wins over adharma, good over evil, always that should be remembered. So Durgam also means fence or kotai. So she is a fierce protection force. So her presence in our life will pull us out from all fears. So there are so many Durga temples across the country. So to name a few famous Durga temples, it is Pattishwaram Durga Parameshwari, South India, and there is Amman Gudi Durga temple. There is Vijayawada Kanaka Durga Parameshwari. 3 days there is a Shakampari Utsav that happens in this temple. I mean, they decorate Amma as with all vegetables and fruits as Shakambari, because she took that Saguna Swarupam for the people who were suffering of drought and famine. So then there is Tiruvannamalai, which has a separate temple for Durga Parameshwari. In Tiruvannamalai, Amma is known as Unnamulai Tayar. Unnamulai Tayar means, so it is Mulai means breast. Unna mulai means feeding from the breast. So Unna mulai Tayar means she is the one. When we have darshan of Unna mulai Tayar, what happens is you will not have uh, you will not have to feed from another breast. That means you will be removed from the cycle of birth and death. Only if there is birth will you have to feed from the will you have to feed breast have breast milk. So that chance is not there. Unnamalai Thayar. So even in Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, these names come from Mahavishnu. It says Samavarto Nivrittatma Durjayah Duratikramaha Durlabho Durgamo Durgo Duravaso Durariha. In Vishnu Sahasranamam also. So Vishnu and Amma are Abedam. They are the male and female form. We saw that we see many places we see they are Abedam. So this shows that Amma is not different from Vishnu. Vishnu is the male form of Amma. When she has to come as a male, she will come as Vishnu. Even in our national song Vande Mataram, the Devi who is seen, who comes with the lion and is considered as Durga. So if we see the meanings of the words, it refers to Durga and is in Sanskrit. The poet Bankim Chandra writes about her as Vande Mataram. So this Vande Mataram is to, we are actually Tvamhi Durga, to this Mataram only, we are Durga only, we are doing Vande. That is the national song also. Shamalam, Saralam, Susmitam, then Bhushitam, Dharanim, Bharanim, Mataram. All of this, who is this? Who is Durga? From Shaivite angle, every temple which has Shivan, there will be 5 devatas around that Shiva. Ganapati, Dakshinamurti, Lingotbhavar, Brahma and Durga. This is called the Pancha Koshtam. So Ko means life. Shtam means one who upholds. So Sadashiva Murti has 5 faces, which we saw earlier also, which is Satyojatam, Vamadevam, Aghoram, Tatpurusham and Ishanam. So these 5 faces only everything comes from these 5 faces. So when we talk about Durga, the Vamadeva Mukham is Durga. The female form of Shiva is called Durga. What is so special about Durga? In these 2 words, Dur and Ga, it is a Maha Mantram. So Kalau Chandi Vinayago, in Kaliyug, Vinayagar Pujai and Chandi Pujai is important. Durga is Samasta Devata Surupam we saw. During Mahishasuravadam, she receives the weapons from all gods. So if we pray to her, it is equal to praying to all devatas. We should hold her feet tightly. Her one nama is enough to get everything. She is so compassionate and fiercely protective. So we should hold her feet tightly, her one nama. So that is Durga. So she Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Mahakali Rupam she is. So she is the Vamadeva Mukham of Shiva. One cannot finish talking about her Vaibhavam. You can just go on and on and on. She is such a goddess. Let's meditate on Amma's Durga form for protection and dispelling all our fears. Let's visualize Durga adorned with celestial ornaments, crowned with light, and clothed in divine radiance. Her very presence purifies the space and elevates the consciousness. Let's surrender to the highest force of protection, wisdom, and transformation. So, what is the benefit of this Nama Durga? Do I have to say the benefit? It is Ulaga Sukam, pure knowledge. Nallana ellam tarum, anything that you want.